Hello students, a very good morning to you all. Welcome back in today's class. Yesterday we had completed till question number 2G of exercise 6J. Exercise 6J continuing. Okay. We had completed question number 2G. Now today we will proceed further. I had told those who have done 3 sums, they may check whether you have done it properly or not. Okay, it will help you to gain confidence if you have done, and if you get it correct, it's good. Okay, but if you get incorrect, please make sure that you do the corrections. Okay, it is 4 divided by 2 upon 3. 4 upon 1 divided by 2 upon 3. This is my step 1. 4 upon 1 divided by reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Multiplying dividend. Multiplying dividend with reciprocal. Anything coming in common table? Yes. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Nothing else. Now 2 threes are 6, 1 ones are 1. So the required answer is 6 upon 1 is equal to 6. Okay. Those who have done, and if you got correct, very good. Next is 6 divided by 2 upon 3. Step 1. Step 2. 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Okay. Multiplying with reciprocal. Anything coming in common table? Yes. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Those who don't know, they can write like this. 2 ones are and 2 threes are. So if we cut 2, 1 is remaining. Here if you cut 2, 3 is remaining. Okay, instead of getting confused. If you wish to write like this and then cut, fine. Or else if you know the tables, you can do it accordingly. Whichever way is convenient to you. Multiply numerator with numerator. 3 threes are 9. Denominator 1 ones are 1. 9 upon 1 is equal to 9. Coming to the last sum of question 2. Coming to the last sum of question 2. 1 divided by 1 upon 10. Okay. So it is 1 upon 1 divided by 1 upon 10. This is my step 1. My step 2 is reciprocal of 1 upon 10 is 10 upon 1. Multiplying dividend. Okay, multiplying dividend with reciprocal. Okay, so nothing is common. Multiply numerator with numerator. 1 tens are 10. 1 ones are 1. So we got 10 as the answer. All the 3 sums, those who got correct, well done, keep it up. It says that you have understood things properly. Okay, it is a good sign that you understand things. But if at all you have problem, feel free to practice. Watch the video again if you are not understood. Okay, coming to question number 3. Question number 3 also, it is very easy. Okay, if you remember the steps. Very easy. Okay, 1 upon 2 divided by 7 upon 12. Okay, so 1 upon 2, here it is fraction by fraction. So there is no question of writing the whole number as a fraction. Both are fractional. Okay, directly step 2. Okay, reciprocal of 7 upon 12 is 12 upon 7. This is multiplying with the reciprocal. Okay, here 2 and 12 are coming in common table. 2 ones are. 2 6 are. So multiply numerator with 1 6 are and this is 1 sevens are. Okay, what we got is a proper fraction. So no need to simplify or do any further calculations. If we got something like 7 upon 6, no, then we would have to do the division and find a mixed number. But here, as you can see, we have got a proper fraction and not an improper. Numerator is smaller than the denominator, 6 upon 7. Okay, now coming to the next sum. 5 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3. Okay, 5 upon 9 divided by 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Okay, 5 upon 9 multiplying with reciprocal. Anything coming in common table? Yes. 3 and 9. This is 3 ones are and 3 threes are. Okay, nothing else is coming in common table. 5 ones are 5, 3 twos are 6. 5 upon 6 is the answer to the question. 5 upon 6 again is a proper fraction. So we need not worry about it. Okay. When we will get improper, at that time I will tell you what is to be done. You already know, but then also. Now question 3c. 1 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 9. Now 1 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 9 is 9 upon 5. Now let us multiply the dividend with the reciprocal. Coming in common table? Oh yes. 3 and 9. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. Multiply numerator with numerator. 1 threes are 3. 1 fives are 5. Again what we get is a proper fraction. So 3 upon 5 is the answer to the question. Now D. I would prefer to do on new page because it may not fit in and you will have difficulty. Okay. 1 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 8. 1 upon 4 divided by 3 upon 8. 1 upon 4 divided by reciprocal of 3 upon 8 is 8 upon 3. Now let us multiply with the reciprocal. Okay. Anything coming in common table? Yes. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Now 2 ones are is 2 and 3 ones are is 3. What we get is a proper fraction. So 2 upon 3 is the answer to the question. Now question number 3e. 3 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 5. Okay, 3 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 5. So this is my first step, reciprocal. 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. Now multiplying dividend with reciprocal. Anything coming in common table? Yes. 3 ones are and 3 ones are. Okay. Anything else? No. Now multiply 5 ones are 5, 8 ones are 8. So 5 upon 8 is the answer to the question. Now coming to question number 3F. Coming to question number 3F. 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3. 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3. 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon 3. Reciprocal is 3 upon 2. Now let us multiply dividend with its reciprocal. With its reciprocal. Anything coming in common table? Yes. 6 and 2. 6 and 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Now let us multiply numerator with numerator. 3 threes are 9. 7 ones are 7. 9 upon 7, children, is a improper fraction. We can see numerator is greater than the denominator. So we got to convert this into mixed. Convert this into mixed. 7 ones are 7. So our answer is 1 integer. 1 integer. Numerator and denominator denominator remains the same. So our answer is one integer 2 upon 7. Okay. Now coming to question number 3G. Question number 3G. 1 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 3. Seems so easy, no? 1 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 1. Okay. Now multiplying dividend with reciprocal. Anything coming in common table? Oh yes. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Multiply numerator with numerator. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. Now, question number 3H. Question number 3H. 3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 5. Now, 3 upon 5 reciprocal 5 upon 1. Multiplying dividend with reciprocal. Coming in common table? Oh yes. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So, multiplying 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1. 3 upon 1 is equal to 3. 3 upon 1 is equal to 3 is the answer to the question. Question 3I. 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. 2 upon 3 divided by 1 upon 4. Reciprocal. Multiplying with reciprocal. Coming in common table? No. Multiply numerator with numerator. 2 fours are 8. 3 ones are 3. 8 upon 3 is an improper fraction. So let us find the mixed numeral. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Okay. So our answer is 2 integer. What we write, that is quotient. Remainder and divisor or numerator. So it is 2 integer 2 upon 3. I repeat, 2 integer 2 upon 3. Coming to the last sum, that is question number 3J. Coming to the last sum, question number 3J. 3 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. Now 3 upon 5, reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1. Now 3 upon 5, multiplying that dividend with the reciprocal. Nothing is common. Okay, nothing is common means no number is coming in any common table. So 2 threes are 6. 5 ones are 5. As you can see, 6 upon 5 is a improper fraction. Let us, now we have learnt very well. By looking at the answer only we get to know that we need to do one more step, that is converting improper into mixed. Okay, 5 ones are 5. So it is one integer. 1 upon 5 is the answer. One integer 1 upon 5. Okay, now as I told you yesterday, question number 4, that is solve using multiplication or division. We aren't going to do the problem sums. If you wish to try, it is your choice. But these problem sums are to be omitted. Okay, now almost coming to the end with a chapter checkup. Which you will be doing in your study book, home book. Okay, a quick recap of all that we learned, in the chapter of fractions. Okay, first of all we learned about what is a fraction. Okay, a fraction shows a part of a whole. A whole can be a region or a collection. Then we learnt about types of fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions are fractions having same denominator. Unlike fractions are fractions having different denominator. Then we learn proper and improper. Proper fractions are fractions whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper ones are the opposite of proper. Numerator greater than the denominator. Then we learnt about mixed number, wherein improper fractions can be converted into mixed numbers. Then we learnt about unit fractions, those who remember. A fraction that is 1 as the numerator. A fraction that is 1 as the numerator is called a unit fraction. Then we learnt about finding equivalent fractions. If I want to find equivalent fractions, I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. When we find equivalent fraction, we can multiply the numerator and denominator with the same. Now after finding equivalent fractions, if I want to check my equivalent fractions, we had done the method of cross products on page number 81 of your textbook, finding equivalent fraction and then checking whether our answer is correct or not. If we want to check whether our answer is correct or not, we found cross products are equal or not. Okay. After that, we learnt about fraction in its lowest term. A fraction is in its lowest term when the only common factor between the numerator and denominator is 1. Okay, a fraction is in the lowest term when the only common factor between the numerator and the denominator is 1. Then we learnt about comparison. Okay, comparing fractions. After comparing, it becomes easy for us to arrange in ascending and arrange in descending. About addition of fractions. It is easy to add like fractions. But when it comes to unlike fraction, certain rules that we learned to keep in mind about finding LCM, making the denominator equal, and then reduce to the lowest term if required. I repeat, reducing to the lowest term if required. Then we learnt about adding mixed numbers. For adding mixed numbers, again the steps that we followed were adding the whole numbers, again adding the fractions by finding the LCM and converting them into like fractions. Okay, that is what we learned. Then coming to subtraction, opposite of addition that we learned was subtraction. Steps were the same. Steps were the same. That is finding LCM, then making denominator equal. If it is add, then we had added numerator, and if it was subtract, we subtract the numerators. And then lastly reduce to the lowest term if needed. Okay, only if needed. Same way subtracting of mixed numerals. After that we proceeded with multiplying. You can multiply fractions in any order and the product will remain the same. We learnt this. Then we learnt when we multiply the fraction by 0, we get 0 as the answer. When we multiply a fraction by 1, we get the same fraction as the answer. Okay, then we learnt multiplying fractions by fractions. Lastly, we learnt reciprocal. Reciprocal is only required in division. Okay, when a sum of division comes, you have to multiply the dividend with the reciprocal. The rule that we highlighted, okay, we had done page number 96, step 1, step 2, step 3 and step 4. I hope you all have highlighted page number 96. Dividing a whole number by a unit fraction or dividing a fraction by a fraction. That is what steps that we followed. Okay. Now, doing one time is not enough. It is expected by you to do practice twice, maybe thrice. Maybe thrice. So that if you do the practice twice or thrice, the chapter checkup will become easy for you. The chapter checkup will become easy for you. In chapter checkup, it is suggested to solve question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I repeat 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 you can omit. Okay. Then we have short mental math given on page number 102. Given on page number 102. Okay, write in descending order, lowest term, comparison, okay, finding equivalent, dividing, reciprocal. Okay, this is all that we learned in this chapter of fractions. Okay, more practice is required. Once done is not sufficient. Okay, try and try to do more practice. Okay, so that things become easier for you. By doing practice, your understanding level will also improve. Certain things, automatically will get clicked to your mind. No need to think of sitting and writing tables. Things will become easier for you. Okay, children? Wish you all the best. Thank you all. Have a nice day.